Hello, welcome back everybody. Here's another video of one of our projects at a rental we just purchased. It looks like we are doing a demo today, and we're gonna be breaking down this concrete sink. As you can see, it's gone right here in the intro, and here it is. We're going to be breaking this down so we can put in a second laundry unit for the lower tenants. So here I am busting this bad boy up. We got the blanket over it just so the dust doesn't fly everywhere. My wife, she's helping me. We're picking up parts, breaking it down as we go. This project took about, I want to say about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Wasn't that bad with the sledgehammers. So we did some swings there, coming along pretty smooth. Just breaking them down to small pieces. We just use a 5-gallon bucket to fill it up and carry it out. Here's my wife. She's swinging the hammer, getting her exercise in. Just look on the inside. We wanted to save this tub, but there really was no way to get it out of the basement laundry unit without destroying it. It's quite heavy, and we just said, let's just break it down and call it a day. So that's just the bottom piece left. Here I'm taking off the leg supports. They're metal, so I just didn't want to have any metal objects flying around anywhere. It's safe. Get it done. It's just the bracket holding it in, holding the bolt through the stand. Here it is, all gone. Just 2 more buckets left. There's a stand, sledgehammer. Got the cardboard down to pick up any crumbs. So here's the final product. Here's our second unit. We have the gas lines, drain. Here's that new sink. Here's our new fittings. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Like, comment, and subscribe for the latest content. And I'll check you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.